Hello, Cricketers, and welcome to Cricketing with Delonda. It's me again, Delonda, and thank you so much for joining me today. In today's little quick chat, I will be unboxing my new mystery box. The mystery box for this month, January 2022, is the Bare Essentials box, and I'm so excited to open it. Even though I've already seen the contents of it, it is different when you get one of your own. So I am going to unbox mine right here for you so that you can see what comes in the box. Now, I've been hearing some people say that their cutie that came in their box was already broken. Hopefully that isn't the case for me because my box looks a little bit damaged. But I will say this, even if it is, Cricut Customer Care has excellent customer service, and I've never had an issue that wasn't resolved by them. So I do believe that even if my little cutie is broken, I'm not concerned at all about how it will be handled by Cricut Customer Care. Okay, so let me go ahead and open it. Okay, so far, so good. It's packaged very well. And it comes with premium vinyl, and there are 6 different colors. So it comes with red, orange, let's see, let me see if it tells the colors because I won't do a good enough job. Green, blue, and a lighter green. It says this is the Brights sampler and it's glossy. And there are 6 sheets and each sheet is 12 by 12. Okay, so that's the premium vinyl. It comes with a roll of transfer tape, and this is, let's see how much transfer tape. Okay, it's 12 by 48 inches, so there's 4 feet of transfer tape in here. It comes with Strong Bond Everyday Iron-On, and this is 6 sheets of iron-on, and so there are 2, let's see, 2 white, I guess it's 4 white, 3 white and 3 black sheets. Let me open it so you can see what that looks like. Let's see what that looks like. In case you're wondering, Everyday Iron-On is just what it says. It's iron-on vinyl is what you would put on fabric. And iron-on, Everyday Iron-On is the same exact thing as HTV, or what we all know as heat transfer vinyl. Okay, let me open it. Okay, packaged very well. Okay, let's see what you're actually getting. It's good to know what you're getting in case you haven't gotten your mystery box yet. All right, so I don't keep mine on this roll anyway, so I'm okay with taking it off of the roll. Okay, so there are 3 sheets of the Everyday Iron-On 12 by 12 sheets in black, which you will need a lot of. If you're into making t-shirts, you can never have enough black or white. So 3 sheets of white also. And so 12 by 12, if you're ever wondering, that's what this size is. It's the same size as your green standard grip mat. Okay. All right. So we got 3 in those. So 6 altogether. All right. And then we got a pack of Infusible Ink Pens. And these are amazing. I've only tried them one time. They're the 1.0 tip size, so it's the marker. It's actually not the pens, it's the markers. So it's a little bit, the tip is a little bit wider. And let's see. This is the 10 pack of the Everyday collection of Cricut pens. So there are 10 pens in here. And I don't know if you saw me do my last mystery box opening, but in the last mystery box, it came with this pack of pens, and I didn't know that I would love them as much as I do, but I absolutely love the 1.0 size of the pens, and so that's what these are. There are 6 of them that are the 1.0 size and 4 that are the more fine point pens. So there are silver, gold, and black. I think these will be nice to use on like wedding invitations or something more formal, or even if you were making a Valentine's Day card for someone who you love. So I'm excited about these. All right, let's see what else. All right, we got a premium fine point blade, which I am in need of. So if you look, you can see I have my Cricut Explorer Air 2 right here. I don't have my blade in because I needed to replace my blade, and this has come at the exact right time. So let me show you how to change that out. Let me just do it right here, right on the camera. So I'm just gonna open it. Ooh, and I don't think I've ever replaced my blade, but I do know my blade was dull. Let me grab my so it doesn't, you can't tell that my blade is dull from there, but I promise you it is. You just push the little top down and pull it out, and I am going to remove the cap from here, from the end, and push it down again and just stick the new one in, and voila. And I will put my blade in my machine, and it should be good to go. Now I know this one is trash, and I will not put it back in my machine. I'll just put it over here for right now. All right, so there's that. Let's see what else we got, because what they say on those commercials, but wait, that's not all. We also got a pack of Cricut cardstock. I am not a lover of cardstock. However, in the last mystery box, it came filled with cardstock, and I wasn't excited until I made my first card. So this is the Princess Sampler, and it comes with 24 sheets. They are also 12 by 12, which is just a standard size. I do love Cricut cardstock in comparison to other cardstock. Now, I am not, I don't prefer to do projects with cardstock. I don't love it like that. But if I am going to be using or doing a project with cardstock, I would prefer to use the Cricut brand of cardstock. Let me say that. So let's see what's in here. All right, there are, like I said, 24 sheets. So, and this is called the Princess Sampler. Let's see. Oh, okay. So 4 sheets of this bright pink. So cute. Oh my goodness. 4 sheets of purple, 4 sheets, and I'm sure they have a fancier name than just purple. 4 sheets of, I will call it bright yellow. What if I call it princess yellow? 4 sheets of red, so you get where we're going with this. 4 sheets of every color. 4 sheets of this color, and 4 sheets here. Okay, so nice colors. These are nice, and spring is right around the corner. These would be nice for a spring project. That's what I would use them for. All right, let's see what else. Because wait, that's not it. Or what do they say? But wait, there's more. This I love. Whoever would have thought that I would love it? I didn't, but I do. Okay, this is 10 sheets of glitter cardstock. Now, if you didn't see my card making tutorial, I used some of the Cricut glitter cardstock to make this Valentine's card for my husband. And I'm super excited about it because I know he's gonna love it when he sees it. It just says, "Be my Valentine." And if you can see, it's the same paper. So I'm super, super excited about this. Let's see what colors are in here. Okay, 10 sheets. Okay, it says rich red, sky blue, dark rose, antique bronze, dark green, sapphire blue, colorful white, silver, black, and gold. So I know that my description of the colors wouldn't have done it any justice. So now we know what colors there are. 10 sheets. So that's the, I'm assuming that would be the bronze, maybe the gold. Okay, so there we go. These are nice. These are really nice. These are, oh my goodness, I love these. Okay, look at this. And so the good thing about these is then when you put them in your machine and you're making a card, and of course you put them on the mat face down because your Cricut pens will write on this side. So when you close the card up, you get a beautiful effect. Look at that. That is beautiful. This is the gold. I'm assuming that other one was the bronze. Okay. These are really nice. These are really, really nice. And then black. Okay, and this one. Ooh, that is really nice. I'm excited. I am not, you know, anyone who knows me, if you followed me for any length of time, you will know that cardstock is not my jam, but I will admit, I like the Cricut cardstock. Okay, 2 mats. You can never have enough mats, ever. Like if someone says, oh, I already have enough mats, that is not a true statement because there is no such thing as enough mats. Okay, so never have enough mats. There are 2 mats that come in this package. I don't need to open that. All right, but wait, there's more. Okay, so here's the moment of truth. We are gonna hope that our cutie, I don't hear any rattling, so I'm gonna assume it's not broken. Let's see. Oh, look at him being cute. Being so cute. You better be cute. Somebody asked me before, what does a cutie do? It's just cute. What is this job of the cutie? To be cute, that's the job. This is the cutie. This is the mint. I think it's called the mint or light blue. Oh, it's Cutie Mist. It's called the mist. Okay, that's the color. And it is cute. So mission accomplished on you, little guy. Now hopefully I don't break it when I pull it out of here because that's just something I would do. And I hate to pull his little antenna, but that's how I have to get him out. All right, so he will join his friends up there on my little stand that's on my pegboard. And I think y'all say hi. Okay, they did. You just didn't hear it. Okay, he said it. All right, so those are the contents of the mystery box. And, you know, if you didn't get one this time, you know, be on the lookout because they come out randomly in the middle of the week. And I know that next month they will have a fabulous mystery box. So I'm always excited about it to see what the contents are. And I love doing, you know, an unboxing to show you all of the contents. Hopefully this was helpful for you. If you just got a mystery box and you're wondering like what's in it and how do I use it, and if you haven't tried changing out the blade on your fine point blade, I just showed you how to do that. Hopefully that helped you, and now you know the options for using cardstock. All right, as always, thank you so much for joining me. If you haven't already, if you found this helpful, please consider subscribing, tapping that like button, and turning on the bell for notifications because I do upload new content every single week without fail. Okay, thank you so much for joining me today, and thanks for watching. Bye.